Hello dear students, welcome back to the science class. Dear students, I hope you all are fine and you all are studying at your home. Okay, today in this video class, let us continue with the second lesson. What is the name of the lesson? Animals and their adaptations. Yes, what all we learned? Okay, can we remind now? Okay, we learned the movement in animals. Okay, which animals we studied? First we studied about the movement in fish. Next we studied the movement in insects. Okay, next in a movement in amphibians, reptiles and mammals. All these things we covered in the previous video classes. Dear students, today last we are studying about movement in birds. Yes, as you have seen in your surrounding, many birds you all will be observing in your day-to-day life. Yes. So, how their movement is there, if they want to move from one place to another place, how they are moving, with what help they are moving from one place to the another place, that we will study in detail today in this video class. Birds that fly have well developed wings, feathers and strong flight muscles. As you all know the parts of the bird, some of the parts are their wings. Yes, you have already know the term wings. Next, the birds will be having even feathers also, and even they are having a strong flight muscles. Yes, how in our body the muscles are present, in the same way even in the body of birds there are some strong flight muscles are there. Okay, so what is the use of these flight muscles? It will help in flying. Even these wings, feathers and these flight muscles, they are helpful in flying the birds here. If there is no wings, no feathers and no muscles, the birds cannot fly here. Okay, so wings are modified into forelimbs here. Nothing but, okay, in the mammals we studied about the forelimbs. Okay, here the forelimbs are nothing but wings only. The wings are modified into forelimbs. Forelimbs in the birds, the forelimbs are wings only. Another name here, wings. Wings are modified into what? Forelimbs here. Okay, they have to fly. If the bird want to fly, then what it is having? It is having a wings, feathers and flight muscles. How the birds are flying? Birds are flying with the help of wings, feathers and flight muscles. Here these wings are modified into what? These are nothing but forelimbs these are. Okay, let us see the next point here. Their bodies are light because of their hollow bones which are filled with the air. Dear students, here the meaning of hollow. Hollow is nothing but here, okay, it is an empty space. If there is one bone is there, consider it as one bone. Okay, inside this it is full empty space is there. For that only we will call hollow, we are calling. What we will call? Hollow. Nothing but this bone. Inside the bone there is nothing is present. It is empty space is present inside the bones. For that we will call hollow. Okay, as the birds' bodies are light. Okay, because of their hollow bones, they are very light. The bodies of the birds are here very light. Why they are light? Because of their hollow bones which are filled with the air. Here in these bones, what is there? Only air is present. Living air, nothing is present inside this bone here. So what they are telling here? The bodies of a birds are light in a weight. Okay, and their bones are filled with the air here. These birds can fly in the air by flapping their wings. Yes, how the birds will fly? By flapping their wings. So what is the meaning of flapping? Yes, can you know? Yes, I will show the picture here. How the birds will flap. Yes, for this movement only we are calling flapping movement we are calling. What it is? Flapping. Remember this word. Okay, yes, can you observe here the bird is flapping with the help of wings. What are these? These are wings, these are with the help of wing it is flapping. So the movement in a bird it is flapping here. With the help of wings it will flap like this. Okay, the next point we'll see here. these birds can fly in the air. Okay, where the birds will fly? In the air. Okay, how? By flapping their wings. Here the question will arise, how the birds fly in the air? By flapping their wings, the birds will fly in the air. Why the bones of a birds are light here? Why the bodies of a birds are light here? Because of the hollow bones. Because of the hollow bones, the bodies of a birds are light in a weight here. Okay, I hope you understood these points here. So here the picture of bird is there. I will tell the parts of a bird here. Yes, here you are observing this is a tail part. Which part it is? Tail. T-A-I-L, tail. At the back side it is present. This tail is present at the back side. Where the wings are present? Left and right side the wings are present. W-I-N-G-S, wings. The wings are present at left and right side. Left side one wing and right side one wing. So together wings it becomes. Then at the back side it is having a tail. With the help of tail and the wings, the birds will fly here. How? By flapping their wings. Okay, by flapping their wings, the birds will fly in a air. Next we will see the next point. There are some birds which cannot fly. Yes, dear students, you know some of the birds will fly in the air. Even there are some of the birds are there which will not fly, which cannot fly. They can't fly in a air. Why they cannot fly? Because of their body weight. Okay, they cannot fly in a air. If the weight of the bird is light in its weight, then it will fly in a air. If the weight of the bird is very high, then it cannot fly here. So there are some birds which cannot fly, nothing but heavy body. The body is very heavy here. The bird body is very heavy. Such birds will not fly here. They have adapted themselves in the following ways. Then how they will move from one place to another place, that we will see here. Aquatic birds. Aquatic is nothing but, what is the meaning of the meaning of aquatic bird here is the birds which will live in a water. The birds which lives in a water are called aquatic birds. For example, ducks. Yes, you have seen the duck will live in a water. So it is an example for aquatic birds. Remember the meaning of aquatic here. Aquatic birds are nothing but the birds which live in a water. Remember, birds which live in a water are called aquatic birds. Live in where? Live in a water. So it is the meaning of aquatic birds. Birds which live in a water are called aquatic birds here. For example, duck. Yes, you all know that you have seen the ducks will live in a water. Use their webbed feet to swim in a water. As they are having a webbed feet, as I have shown you, webbed feet is nothing but it is having a broad feet like this. The feet of the that bird will be like this. Okay, I have shown the picture here. It is having a web, nothing but a broad feet. So with the help of this webbed feet, it will swim in a water. Aquatic bird, which is example I have given here, duck. So how the duck will move from one place to another place? With the help of a webbed feet, it will swim in a water. Okay, here I will show the duck. Okay, you can observe here how it is. Okay, swimming in a water here with the help of its webbed feet. Yes, can you observe? Here it is a webbed feet. Here you can observe the webbed feet. With the help of that webbed feet, it will swim in a water. Which bird it is? Duck. Duck, with the help of a webbed feet, it will swim in a water. Okay? The next point here is birds such as penguin and ostrich have a very heavy body. Nothing but their body weight is very heavy here. Which birds? Penguin and ostrich. Penguin and ostrich are having their body very heavy here. So they cannot fly here. Even ostrich and Penguin will not fly. Why the ostrich and penguin birds cannot fly? Because of their heavy body. But they have developed other features. Okay, nothing but if they cannot fly, then they have developed one of the another feature, that is, see here, the penguins swim fast here. Nothing but swimming. The movement in a penguin here is a swimming. It swims very fast in a water here. Next, ostrich can run very fast using its strong hind limbs. Okay, as you all know, what is the meaning of hind limbs? The limbs which are present at the back are called hind limbs. With the help of these hind limbs, ostrich will run fast here. So it is having it will run. By running, it will move from one place to another place here. With the help of what? With the help of strong hind limbs. So what is the movement in a fish? Movement in a penguin, it is swimming. So what is the movement in ostrich? It will run very fast using the hind limbs. Okay, here I will show the penguin. Yes, dear students, you can observe the swimming of a penguin here. Yes, can you observe here how it is swimming? It is swimming very fast. Okay, next, ostrich. This is the ostrich bird. Yes, with its hind limbs, you can observe these two limbs. Can you observe here? These are the two limbs. Okay, with the help of those two limbs, it will run very fast. It is the very fast. It will run very fast here. Okay, next we'll see here the next point. Aquatic mammals like whales have flippers or modified arms here. Nothing but you can observe here. This is a flipper. This is a whale. Which it is? Whale it is. Okay. This is the aquatic mammal. Nothing but the mammal which will live in water. And it will which have a flippers or modified arms that help them to swim here. With the help of these flippers, okay, this whale will swim in water. Whereas mammals like a bat use wings for locomotion. Yes, the bats which will be flying at a night, you have observed bats will be flying in a night here. So what is the locomotion in bats? They will use their wings for locomotion. Locomotion is nothing but moving from one place to another place. Their wings are formed of a thin layer of a skin stretched between the arms and the legs here. How the wings are formed here? By the thin layer of a skin here. Okay, between the arms and the legs here. So what is the locomotion in bats? They will fly here. And what is the locomotion in a whale? It will flippers. Okay. So today we studied about the movement in birds. Yes, this is the movement in birds. It will use its wings. Okay. By flapping, it will fly from one place to another place here. By flapping its wings, the birds will move from one place to another place. Okay, this is a duck. It is swimming in water with the help of its webbed feet. And this is the penguin. It will swim very fast in water. And this is the ostrich bird. It will run very fast with the help of its hind limbs. Okay, so today we have studied about the movement in birds. So dear students, in your page number 219, about movement in birds they have given. Go through it, read once. Okay, if you get any doubt, you can contact me. Now it's a homework time. So whatever the difficult words I have given here, you have to write 5 times in your rough book. So the first word is wings, flight, muzzles, modified, hollow, flapping, webbed, features, penguins, ostrich. These are some of the difficult words from today's video class. So read and write 5 times and read the lesson also. In the next video class again we'll continue with this lesson. Till that, study well. Have a nice day, dear students.